Hey guys, Tony at Metro Lexus, one of the technology specialists here, along with my sidekick, Skylar.
Yay.
We're just here to show you how the kick sensor works on the 2021 Lexus RX. The way that I like to word it is you have to stand directly behind the Lexus logo, and I like to say it's just a solid kick from underneath the back of it, okay? So don't wave your foot or anything. Most of the time it'll get confused. I will admit sometimes it works, but I just like to say get in, get out, get the job done. You can both open and close it this way. First try, beautiful. Thank you for watching our video on the kick sensor on the RX. If you ever have any questions on the vehicle, please do not hesitate to give us a call at Metro Lexus. Ask for either myself or Skylar. We'd love to answer any questions that you may have.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you come in, we can help you experience amazing.
Come home to Metro Lexus and discover for yourself what experience amazing really means.